You are watching AliAziz Quality Education YouTube channel.
Aviation Entrepreneurship by AliAziz Quality Education.
AliAziz Quality Education channel, providing you the aviation industry related videos. So don't forget the subscription button.
Aviation entrepreneurship involves starting and managing businesses within the aviation industry. It includes identifying market opportunities, creating innovative services or products, and navigating regulatory, technological, and financial challenges related to air travel, logistics, and aerospace. 1 Key areas for aviation entrepreneurs: air charter services, private jets, cargo charters, medical evacuation; drone services, surveying, photography, delivery, security; airport support services, ground handling, catering, cleaning, fueling; travel tech booking platforms, travel apps, passenger experience solutions; maintenance, repair and overhaul, MRO, aircraft servicing startups; aviation training and academies, pilot schools, aviation management institutes; eco-aviation, green fuel technologies, sustainable aircraft, carbon offset startups. 2 Skills needed: aviation knowledge, technical and regulatory; business planning and innovation; financial literacy; marketing and customer service; leadership and team management. 3 Challenges for aviation startups: high capital investment; regulatory compliance, ICAO, FAA, EASA; market competition and airline dominance; fuel cost volatility; safety and insurance requirements. 4 Successful aviation startup examples: Whisk Aero, autonomous electric air taxis; Zipline, drone delivery of medical supplies; Jet Smarter, now XO, app-based private jet booking. AirAsia started as a low-cost carrier, now a major Asian airline. 5 Opportunities in the industry: regional and remote air transport; air cargo logistics in emerging markets; sustainable aviation fuels and electric aircraft; smart airport solutions, AI, IoT, automation; customized flight training and e-learning platforms. Conclusion: aviation entrepreneurship is full of potential for those ready to innovate in a complex but high-growth industry. It blends aviation expertise with business acumen to build solutions for safer, smarter, and more sustainable air travel.